200,000 earner ka ba? Then listen, kasi kung nakarent ka pa din near Katipunan, you're quietly losing money every single month.
Reality check. Most of the condos around Katipunan ngayon, either old projects na or fully occupied pa. So, anong nangyayari? Kahit may 200,000 income ka, napupunta lang sa rent na hindi mo naman pag-aari. So, i-compute natin. 25,000 pesos to 40,000 pesos rent monthly. That's 300,000 pesos to almost 500,000 pesos a year ang nawawala. Wala kang ownership at wala kang control. At ang pinaka-worst doon, anytime, pwede ka nilang paalisin. Now imagine this. Same budget, pero napupunta sa sarili mong unit. And right now, isa sa pinaka-strategic options dito sa Katipunan ay ang Hawthorne Heights. You know why? Kasi si Hawthorne Heights is ready for occupancy plus brand new units upon turnover. Plus, walking distance lang din siya sa Ateneo and accessible going to Miriam College and UP Diliman. And mataas ang demand for rentals para sa mga student and young professionals. And here's the part most people miss. May mga selected units ngayon na mababa ang down payment at pwede ka nang mag-move in. If you're earning 200,000 monthly, you're already in the position to convert income into asset. Instead of waiting for the perfect timing, you lock in now habang may mga available pang units. And if you are seriously looking in Katipunan, message me now and I'll show you the pricing, actual units, and options.